Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafina binti Abdul Karim Ishigaki and I would like to present my PSM title Life Size Telepresence for Augmented Reality Meeting Room, supervised by Dr. Ajuwanis binti Ismail. The contents for my presentations are introductions, literature review, methodology, expected result and conclusions. Introduction discuss about the problem background, problem statement, project aim and the project scope. Problem background. AR meeting room required greater internet bandwidth to perform the data transmit over the network. It has high potential costs in IT, low performance level on 3D tracking speed and projection speed. Problem statement. Most AR meeting room require user to wear HMD during conference sessions. Conventional video conference unable to support the interaction style of participants, nor effective collaboration with user from different geographical area. This project aimed to develop a life-size telepresence for augmented reality meeting room. Project scope. The interaction happened one-to-one at a time. It required both user in local room and remote room to have similar orientation respectively. The display may sensitive to the light surrounding. User must be situated in rest positions. Kinet sensor used only once at a time to capture the image and color of the person. The visual quality may be affected by different factors. Next, literature review will explain on AR, telepresence, AR meeting room and previous work. AR. What is AR? AR is a technology that allows users to view the real environment that overlay with virtual object in real time. Because AR is a combination of real and virtual object in the real world that register in 3D and running in the real time. There are four fundamental in AR, which are tracking, display device, interface and interactions. Next, telepresence. Telepresence is known as virtual representations, where the term of tele in telepresence is referred to telecommunication technology, and the terms of presence in telepresence is referred to the experience of existing in one place or environment. However, there are some issues in telepresence. The issues are: participants must travel to facilities that are equipped with telepresence technology. Second, the risk of disruptions or failure over internet. Third, cost prohibitive for the average organizations or individuals. There are three types of telepresence technologies discussed in this project. The first type is video conference, second is holographic, and third is projector camera. This is the comparisons between the high definition 3D display, 3D holographic display, projector camera. Next, what is life size? Life size is the same measurement as the real life size. It can help the participants to feel more realistic and present in the remote locations. This is the example of life size telepresence. AR meeting room. AR meeting room is a unique identifier that enables a meeting organizer to invite participants from different locations to collaborate on the internet in the real time. However, there are issues in the AR meeting room, which are limitation for guest input, incapable to provide full field of view of the normal human visions, no social presence. There are four requirements for the AR meeting room. First is tracking, network, multi-user and interactions. The tracking used for AR meeting room is projector-based, where it required using the projector and camera. The network used is photon network. The type of interface is collaborative, and the interaction used is natural interactions. This is the previous work by room-to-room life-size telepresence. Moving on to the methodology. This is the methodology figure for this project that consists of 3 objectives: Objective 1, Objective 2, and Objective 3. Next, implementation. Implementations explain about the expected result and the outcome of the project. This is the expected result of the workspace, where there are 2 different rooms. The first room is for the local user, and the second room is for the remote user. As you can see here, both local user and remote user have similar orientations. This is the expected result image. An expected result of the user interface to join or create the meeting room. First, user need to create the meeting room. Then the user name will be appear on the participant list in the meeting room. User can start the meeting or leave the meeting. The second user will have the options either to create a new meeting room or join the existing meeting room. In this case, this user join the first meeting room and the second user name will be appear on the participant list. User can join the meeting or leave the meeting. Conclusions. This project expected to achieve the objective. The constraints in this project are the time limitations. The PSM2 planning are to develop the application. That's all for my presentations. Thank you.